guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I finally purchased, I purchased the tires for the Lexus on Saturdays. They should be coming on the 21st. I had to second guess that one. So yeah, I purchased them on Saturday. They should be coming on the 21st, which is Friday. And of course, you guys already know I bought them from Walmart. They are Lexani Quattro Tempo tires, all season, of course, all weather, all season. And I think the tread wear is either 50,000, give you 50,000 miles, 50 or 60,000 miles, which is not bad. I don't really go lower. I don't go lower than 50, because if you go like 40,000, it's not going to last long. Especially, it depends on your driving style. You feel me? It depends on your driving style, so be careful with that. Try to go with a higher tread wear pattern. But yeah, I bought them from Walmart, and it's $273 and change. And I should show some pictures. I can't wait to actually show you guys how the treading look when I get the tires. When they come in, they're going to ship them to me because I didn't let it go to the store, so they're going to ship it directly to my address. And it's affordable. You know, you can't beat that for 235, 55, 20-inch tires for the 20-inch wheel, 20-inch. You can't beat that for that price. And Lexani is what I have on my car right now. I can't remember the name, the one that I had on my car, the model or whatever. But it's Lexani. It's still Lexani, but I don't know which type of Lexani tires I have on my car at this moment. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to do that video to show you guys how the pattern and everything looks and everything, you know. And also probably do a review how they perform on the vehicle. It's two of them, so they're gonna go on the front, in the front of the vehicle when I get them installed. I might go to Walmart to install them because it might be cheaper. It might be cheaper to install them at Walmart. And Walmart that I'll go to have a tire department, so I could get them installed. I know all Walmarts don't have tire departments, but the one that I'm going to, they have tire departments. So yeah, I'm very excited and I can't wait. And I still need some work done on my vehicle. My vehicle, things are so bad right now. Every time when I make some money, guys, it's just always, I'm sorry about the glare. Every time when I make some money, guys, it's always some bill pop up, insurance, something, phone bill. Something will always come up when I make some money. I don't know what is going on, but every time when I get some money in my possession, it all go to bill. So I still need to get some work done on my vehicle. I need shocks. I still didn't install the in and outer tie rod on the passenger side. Of course, my alignment is off, so I need the alignment as well. I need some work done, but you know, I can't rush it, you know. Whenever that time comes, I get it done. But I'm excited. I already purchased a tire online. That's why I keep telling you guys, it's better to shop around. Don't just jump the gun and be like, hey, I'm going to Tire Kingdom, or I'm going to Tire Plus, or any tire other places. Go online. It's easy to look at your tires, and it tell you the tire size. Or you could just look it up online. Type in the make, model of your vehicle, the year, make, model of your vehicle, and look up the tire size for your vehicle. You could do it that way, easy. And shop around and you could get affordable, good tires, especially from Walmart, because I always get my tires from Walmart. The last time I bought tires from Tire Kingdom was years ago. That's when I had owned my Q7, Audi Q7. That was years ago. But shop around, go on Walmart and see what you could find. And the Lexani so far been doing wonders on my car. and I know it's going to do the same thing on the SUV. The speed rating is like 100. It's like 105 speed rating on those tires that I'm going to get. And as I said, I think it's like 50 or 60,000 tread wear, and it depends on how you maintain your vehicle. You know, make sure your alignment is good, make sure your axle is good, make sure control arm, in and outer tie rods is good, so you don't have no uneven wear. So if you decide, be warned, if you decide to get all 4 new tires, be like, you know what, I'm gonna replace all my 4 tires, go to a tire shop that have an alignment rack and pay the money to not only install the 4 tires, but also get an alignment. If you don't, sometimes the car don't. Sometimes, you know, your car is new, whatever the case is, you don't do that much driving, your alignment is straight on your vehicle, hey, you get a pass. It's not always a pass all the time, but if you know you be driving and your car is like pulling right or pulling left, I recommend you guys, before you install the new tires, go to a tire shop and tell them, hey, you think you need alignment? Can you do alignment check on my vehicle before you install the tires? Do that, check. You know, they're going to check everything. They're going to check the inner and outer, you know, they're going to check the whole rack and pinion, make sure your in and outer tie rods are good, make sure your axle is good, so they could get the alignment job done. So do that, install all your tires, and it depends on the vehicle, because they do have, you know, front wheel, all wheel, rear wheel drive vehicles. They're going to check it no matter what, and they're going to get the alignment done. You install all 4 tires, do the alignment, and you're good to go. You don't want to just put new shoes on, you know, new tires on, and less than 6 months less than 6 months you end up having some issues by uneven wear. One side of the tires is wearing out, either the inner, the middle, or the outer tire is wearing out fast. You know, it's going to eat up faster, and you're going to screw up the tire, and your money is going down the drain. It's a waste. And then less than 6 months you need new tires already. So you don't want that. So this is me giving you guys the information, basic information. You know, it's not no big of a deal. Most everybody should know this, but for the ones who don't know, here you go, free information. But yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait till the tire comes in and I'll show you the pattern, how they look and everything. These ones that I have on my car rides pretty smooth, rides really good. It holds up real good in all weather, in the wet, in the dry. I haven't drove in no snow. I don't recommend, you know, getting all weather tires in snow. If you live in a cold area and it snow a lot, just get full winter tires. Just get winter tires for that occasion. But when it comes to like dry and wet and dry, these tires are awesome. They hold traction, and I notice when I drive and I turn, especially when it's dry, oh my goodness, I have a lot of traction. So Lexani tires is actually good. You know, I give it a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10 so far that I've been driving with these ones. But so far I haven't checked the other ones yet, the Lexani Quattro Tempo yet. But I will try them, tell you guys how they feel on the Lexus when I install them, get them installed on the Lexus and drive on them, and I'll let you know how they perform, how they feel brand new. You know, after like a couple months, maybe 6 months in, I'll let you guys know how they perform and everything. But I do recommend them. They're very, you know, it's 20-inch wheels. So, and I recommend the 17-inch wheels as well too. So if you have like a Toyota, a Honda, and they like 17-inch, you know, 17-inch wheels, once it's the same size and it's Lexani, I recommend you getting that brand, Lexani brand. Not too bad, very affordable. actually get the job done. Yeah, good stuff. So stay tuned. I can't wait till those tires comes in, and I will do a review on them and show you guys how they look, show you the treading and everything, how the pattern is and everything. And these one that I have on the car, I said that they hold up. The traction, they hold up. It's been more than 6 months now I had them on my car. I know the ones in the front is going bad because it's uneven wear due to my alignment is off. I can't do nothing about that yet until I get the money to actually change my in and outer tie rod on the driver's side and change my my axle, replace the axle, because my axle is done. When I turn my wheel, I hear a bunch of click click, and I saw some transmission fluid is actually leaking, you know, due to the inner of the drive shaft, the CV axle, the axle. So that need to be replaced, and I know it's a thing probably need to replace. I need a new seal. Seal is like 20 bucks, ain't no big deal, but when I get the money to do it, I get it done. I just got to take my time while I'm on the road. That's all I got to say. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. You feel me? Yeah, it's been a while, you know, even though I dropped a video not too long ago. But yeah, I really recommend the Lexani tires. Good stuff. The brand that I have on my car right now, 17-inch wheels. Those are not bad, and I know the one that's 20-inch is not going to be bad at all. And when you're shopping for tires, make sure you go for a higher tread wear. The higher the tread wear, the longevity of the tires, it will last you. So go from maybe 50 is the minimum required, you know, is the require 50 or up. Last you longer. It depends what you do. Don't try to do no burnouts or do no craziness. You know, the more you drive, of course, the more your tires will get wear out, and especially if you do a lot of highway driving, your tires will get wear out faster as well, and they'll get wear out even faster if your alignment is not good. If your in and out of tie rod is not good, they're going to eat up faster. You know, that's just how it is. So it's really recommend to get the alignment when you install new tires on your vehicle, especially it's 2 or even 4. 1, it don't make no sense, but 2 at least, or all 4, get an alignment check, get an alignment, you'll be good to go. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care. Until maybe Friday, if I get a chance. Friday, if I get a chance to make that video. I'm gonna be busy on Friday, but if I get a chance to do it, I'll put out that video, upload that video for you guys, show you guys how those tires look, how the pattern, what's the actual tread wear on there. But I know it's like 50 or 60,000, so still not bad. But yeah, guys, peace, bye bye, take care, God bless.